Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Fikro Khabar. You are watching Islamic World Today. US slams ICC probe into alleged Israeli war crimes. International Criminal Court to investigate alleged war crimes in occupied Palestinian territories. Turkey economic recovery right on track. Turkish President Erdogan said his country observed 0.9% growth rate in third quarter of 2019. Turkey to active Libya greenlight troop deployment. If our Libyan brothers make such request, Turkey is ready to do what is necessary, says Vice President of Turkey. 80,000 Syrian displaced in past 5 days. Attacks by Assad regime, Russia and Iran-backed group causing migration, says head of Syrian Response Coordination Group. 8 to 4 million Syrians threatened by double UN veto. Russia and China stop renewal of cross-border aid deliveries for war-weary Syrians. Iraq demonstrators set fire to political party office. Demonstrated response to killing of protester. Lebanon dozen injured in clashes with security forces. Demonstrated protest former Education Minister Hassan Deeb being named new premier. At least 248 civilians death in Libya this year. UN Right Office says deaths up by 25% from same period last year. Indonesia flooding kills 7 and victimizes thousands. Natural disasters adversely affect up to 70,000 peoples. Afghanistan to join Turkey's E-Phase 2020 military drill. Both friendly countries agrees to bolster strategic cooperation in areas of military education. Pakistan's new Chief Justice takes oath. Justice Gulzar take oath amid political chores over conviction of former military ruler in terrorism case. India 15 killed in anti-citizenship law protest. Country gripped under waves of protest with police reporting fresh clashes and incident of violence. You can find latest and lot more on fikrokhbar.com/English.